Lead them to the hidden world. You'll be safe there. Safer than you could ever be with me.
All the time to keep you off my